Now our third question is color one third part. So we have to color one third part. One part out of three. The one, two, and is three. The circle is divided into three equal parts. So we have to divide it in three parts. No, we have not to divide in three parts. It's already divided. So just we have to color the one third part. One part out of three. One third means one out of three. So I have to divide, color one part out of three. So I just did it. We have to did the same in the question number B. B part. Color the one third part. We have just colored it down. We have to color it down. Question number B. Then C part. You have to color the one third part. I am just shading it. You have to color it. Now D part. Color it. Only one part you have to color it out of three. One part out of three, one part out of three, one part out of three, and one part out of three. We have to color one third part. So this thing we have to do. If three part is given or question said that you have to color one third part, then you color one part out of three. So student, our fourth question is divide each collection into three equal parts by drawing the dotted lines. We have to divide each part into three equal part. In A part we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 book. We have to divide in three equal parts. So if we divide these books in three equal parts, every part have 4 books. So the dotted line will be kind of this. So 4 books, then 4 books, then 4 books. The 4 books in each part, then these books divided into 3 equal parts. After that B, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 such kind of things. So we have to divide it by dotted lines. So first line is this. We divide 1, 2, 3 lines. After that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The two dotted line divided the figure into 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 equal parts. After that the arrow ones. The total number of arrows in this question are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 we have to divide it in 3 equal parts. So in each part the number of questions, the number of things come 1, 5 in each part. 5 in each part. So in our fifth question, what we have to do? We have to color 1/4 part. Means 1/4 part. 1 part out of 4 part. We have to color 1 part out of 4 part. If the figure have 4 part, we have to color 1 part. A quarter. It is said that a quarter, 1/4 of each figure. The figures are given according to your book. We have to color 1 part. That we are coloring the part 1 out of 4. Now in second part, we also color it like that. Or shade it with your pencil. If you don't have any color, you can shade it with your pencil. Now this 1 part out of 4 we have to color it. Now it have only 3 parts. We have to divide it and got 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 part. We have to color it 1 part. So that's all from this question. We have to color first, second, third, fourth, 1 part of it. Now question number 6, that is our last question of the chapter. Now what we have to do in this question? Divide each collection into 4 equal parts by drawing dotted lines. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 burgers. So by dividing it 4 equal parts, so in each part there will be 2 burgers. So the dotted line will be kind of this. 3 dotted lines separated 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 4 burgers. Now ice cream, let's come on ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 ice cream we have to divide it in 4 equal parts. By this kind of line we can divide the ice cream into 4 equal parts. 3 ice cream in each part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 in each part. 12 ice cream are there. Now the mangoes. This is the season of mangoes. We all love mangoes. Now we have to divide all these mangoes into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So there are 24 mangoes. We just counted and now we have to divide it. If we divide, we have to divide it in 4 equal parts. So in each part there will be 6 mangoes. The dotted line will be this. So in each part there will be 6 mangoes. So that's all from this exercise. We will study the next exercise, numerator and denominator, from our in our next class.